Hello everyone, welcome back. This is my Walmart shopping trip I did today, Saturday the 22nd. I was working towards my weekend warrior bonus, which was to get 10 offers for $5, and I am still working on my tea time bonus, which I needed 40 offers to get earn $10. And tomorrow is the last day. And I made my weekend warrior bonus with this trip. For my tea time bonus, I only need 5 more offers. So I'll work towards getting 5 tomorrow. I have a couple of items in mind, so I should have no problem hitting the tea time bonus, which is great. All right, let's get down to what I picked up. I was watching Sisters Saving You Cents, and they had a deal on the 7th generation products, and I thought was an excellent deal. So one of the items of the 7th generation, I think, was the wipes. My store do not carry the wipes, so I opted to get the disinfectant spray. And it's a couple of rebate apps that you have to use to make this deal work. So if you don't have any of the rebate apps I'm mentioning, look down below in the description box and you can sign up for free. So I'm going to try to go this slowly so y'all can understand it. The first thing I picked up was the 7th generation dish soap. It's $3.47 at my store. Ibotta had $1 back. Coupons.com app had 75 cents back, and Fetch had 75 cents back. So that would leave you 97 cents. The second item I picked up was the 7th generation disinfecting spray for $4.67. Coupons app had 75 cents back. Now, when I scanned this in the store with my Ibotta app, it came up for $1 off. But when I went to submit it, it did not catch it. So I have to contact Ibotta and see what's going on, see if I can get my $1 back. If you get your $1 back plus the 75 cents, it would make that $2.72. Okay. Then I did the 7th generation liquid laundry detergent for $12.97. That's a lot for laundry detergent. But Coupons.com app was giving you $1.50. Ibotta gave you $2.50. Fetch was giving you $3. Okay. Now, on Fetch, if you bought all 3 of the 7th generation products, if they have it listed on Fetch, you'll get additional $5 off. Okay? So, this is how it broke down for me. Ibotta, I was supposed to get $4.50, I got $3.50. Coupons.com, $3. Fetch, $8.75. That's what I was supposed to get back. So, with including the $1 from Ibotta for the disinfectant spray, because they didn't have the wipes, it should have came out to $4.64 or $1.55 for each product. But Ibotta did not give me the $1 back for the disinfectant spray, which it comes up in the app when you scan it. My total for it was $5.64 or $1.88 a piece. So I thought that was a really good deal for the 7th generation, because the cheapest product on here is this dish soap for $3.47, and you're getting it for $1.88. And the biggest saving is on the laundry detergent. It started at $12.97, but you're getting it for $1.88. So that was an awesome combination for 7th-generation products. Awesome savings, I meant to say. So the next item I got was the Skintimate razors, the sensitive. Okay, on this one, the Skintimate was oh my goodness, how much was my Skintimate? The Skintimate razor was $6.47. Coupons.com app was giving you $4 back, and Ibotta was giving you $2 back. So they made the razor final cost 47 cents. The Degree Ultimate Dry Spray. Okay, that was $9.98. Coupons.com app was giving you $4 back. Ibotta was giving you $3 back. Shopkicks was giving you scan it for 15 kicks, buy for 600 kicks equal $2.46. That leaves the dry spray at 52 cents. The Happy Place, I picked up the candle. Some people are picking up, there's different products you can pick up with the Happy Place. But I picked up the candle, and that was, I'm trying to think how much was the Happy Place candle. I have my receipt in my hand. It was $9.97. And if I could find it, Ibotta was giving you back. Where do I have it? The Happy Place candle. I wrote it there. Oh my God. Ibotta was giving you back $5. Fetch was giving you back $1.50. So I left the candle at $3.47. So I thought that was a good price for the candle. I only picked up 6 products, and those 6 products totaled to be $47.33. I used no coupons, no paper coupons, so $47.33. I had $10 in Walmart gift cards that I redeemed, so that dropped my total to $37.33 plus my tax. Now, what I received back from Ibotta, I received $13.50. I received my weekend warrior bonus of $5 because I completed the 10 offers. Merryfield, I received 50 points, which is 5 cents. Swagbucks, 2 cents. I scanned my items into NCP to get my points. Fetch, I got $10.42 back. Shopkicks, I got back 600 kicks for 200. I wish $2.40. And then coupons.com app, I got back $11. So the total of my cash back was $42.39. So when you take out subtract the $42.39 from $37.33, it gives me a money maker of $5.06. Now, if I get my dollar back from Ibotta for the disinfecting spray, it'd be $6.06 money maker. But I thought this was a good trip and a great value, especially on the 7th generation products. So if you don't do nothing else and you like 7th generation, I would advise you to go out and do that deal. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I'll have everything down in the description box, the breakdown for you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.